Welcome everybody. Now this is not the video upload for Sunday, but it's coming. May deviate a little bit from the normal series, the normal video series. I don't know yet, but stay tuned. But this is a video announcement and invitation to all of the family of faith and friends. You're welcome. Fellowship with us. Worship with us. For the WarRoom Prayer Assembly, the theme, the quadruple threat to the kingdom of darkness. Prayer, praise, worship, the word, fellowship can tie in with that too. It's going to be held at the sanctuary of the Macedonia Baptist Church, 2810, Errata Street, New Orleans, Louisiana, 70113. Dr. John Russ, Chief Servant Pastor. You're welcome to be with us. It will also be streamed live by way of Facebook at Churches United Kingdom Fellowship. So it will be streamed live. But for all who are going to be in person, we will mask up, not out of fear, but wisdom, safety. Wisdom and safety. Jesus said, be wise as a serpent, harmless as a dove. So we're just being wise, being safe. But you can take that mask off and praise and shout, whatever you need to do. But it's really concentrated on prayer because prayer is so needed. So looking forward to see all of you all. That's going to be December 19th, 3 o'clock p.m. at Macedonia Baptist Church. For all of our social media friends, video friends, you can watch live by way of Churches United Kingdom Fellowship on Facebook. And if you can't watch it, you'll still be able to go back and replay it. Soliciting everybody's prayers. Looking forward to your presence and your fellowship. And one more thing. Don't stop praising. And don't stop praying.